Okay, on to the main course. So the main course this week is kind of based around an Iranian sort of curry that is basically lots of pomegranate and walnut. So it's like a pomegranate and walnut sauce. We've got chicken and it's called fesenjan. Then we've got some nice couscous, some roasted cabbage. It's like a pomegranate and walnut salsa. Some pickled chilies and some coriander. So first thing, we'll get our fesenjan in the pan. Good. Put it on a low heat. Splash of water just to get it going. Just warm our couscous up a bit by making a bain-marie like we normally do. Little bowl. And our couscous. Yes, that'll be right on there. That's just coming up to a boil. And then oven's on about 180. And we're going to put our roast cabbage in the oven. I guess that'll take about 5 minutes-ish to heat through. I think we'll probably just go in the middle with the couscous. Crispy roast cabbage. Nice. Put that one on top. Put the chilies out. Just put them around as you like it. And finally,